let us now take a look at how we can connect PHP to MySQL server and the database that we want. Okay, so right here we have our PHP script. Okay, and this PHP script is called the index.php. It is right here, index.php, and it is found inside the XAMPP. Okay, the folder where it is found inside the XAMPP. So let me show you where it is found. Let me show you. So when I go here, this PC, so I go inside here, locate where XAMPP is. Okay, so when I look at where XAMPP is, and then look for htdocs. Okay, htdocs folder, then htdocs, it is inside the XAMPP folder. Okay, so inside the XAMPP folder, then we go inside the htdocs. Then from there we locate where our folder is, and we have a folder here. It is called my site. Okay, then from there it's inside this my site folder is where we have our index.php file. Okay, so we are going to do that. So you can just copy this path. Okay, you can just copy this path. Okay, but don't copy. Okay, don't copy it. Let us go here. Let me show you. Let us see. Okay, what this code does. Let us run it before I explain. Let us run it. So we are going to open our web browser here, and I'm going to open a new tab. Make sure that your MySQL server is running. As you can see here, MySQL server is running, and also the Apache server is running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press localhost. I'm going to do this. I'm going to write localhost, then slash my site, the folder that I showed you, okay, where our file is, my site, and then forward slash the name of the file. Okay, localhost forward slash my site forward slash index.php, php like that. And if I press enter, as you can see, we get this one connected successfully. Okay, so let me show you, let me explain what this code does. Okay, what we are doing inside the code. Okay, so inside VS Code here, let me explain everything. So here we get the server. This is the server name, okay, that we are using. We create a server name. We create a variable called the server name, and this variable is going to contain a string which is localhost. Okay, so this is the server name. It is called localhost. Okay, so we have the username. Another one, the username, we are using root. You can use any user, okay, any user that you created in MySQL. Okay, but if you've just installed and you have not changed anything, this is what you are going to follow. Accept for this database name. Okay, so for the database name, you need to create a database, and for this case I created a database called test. Okay, database. Okay, and the password for root, okay, because I've not changed anything, is going to be empty string. It is going to be empty. Okay, so and the root user. Okay, so from there we are going to create a connection. Okay, we are going to create a connection, and this connection we are going to use MySQL. Okay, to create this new connection, we use the new keyword. Then we are going to create the MySQL from the MySQL. Okay, so we are going to use the MySQL object, and this MySQL object is takes in some parameters, some arguments. Okay, and the first argument is the server name that we have created, and the next one is the username, third one is the password, and the fourth one is the database name. Okay, from there we need to check if our connection was successful using the if statement. Okay, so here we are going to check if there is a connection error. Okay, so if there is a connection error, we are going to exit our script. Okay, we are going to exit out our script, which means all the code that runs down, okay, all the code, okay, that goes down is not going to be run. Okay, all the proceeding code, all the code, okay, that goes from here, okay, is not going to be run. Okay, is not going to be run, even if inside this statement is not going to be run. Okay, so we are going to die out, okay, our script, or from our script, and then we are going to output this information that connection failed. Okay, and then we are going to print out the error. Okay, the error that we have got if the connection has not been successful. Otherwise we are going to echo out connected successfully. Okay, so if we save and then we run our command again, run our file again, as you can see, refresh our browser, we get this one connected successfully. Okay, so let us see if we try to to switch off the MySQL server. So let us stop, let us click stop, and then we try to refresh. Okay, let us try to refresh. If we refresh, let us wait, it is trying to connect. Okay, so when it tries to connect, as you can see here, we get connection failed, no connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Okay, so this is the what we get. Okay, as you can see here, connection failed, and even the error. Okay, as you can see here, connection failed, and the error that we have got. Okay, right there. Okay, so that's how we can connect PHP to MySQL database. Okay, so that is it. That's how we can do it.